Over 60. Eat this daily to keep your legs strong and steady. Your legs are quietly losing strength, and you likely haven't noticed it yet. One day, getting up from your favorite chair feels just a little tougher. A few months later, climbing a flight of stairs leaves you out of breath. And before you know it, even short walks begin to feel like a heavy workout. This isn't merely normal aging, it's a condition called sarcopenia, a silent, gradual decline in muscle mass that is dangerously overlooked. Here's the critical truth. Your legs are the first part of your body to weaken as you get older. When this happens, your balance suffers, your independence slowly fades, and your risk of a serious fall skyrockets. But here is the excellent news. It is absolutely not too late to reverse this and rebuild them. In fact, you can begin strengthening your legs right at your kitchen table. Because while exercise is non-negotiable, what you consume can be just as powerful and often even more effective at rebuilding strength. In this video, we will uncover 6 powerful foods that can actively restore muscle strength, protect your bone health, and ensure your legs remain strong and steady well into your later years. So, be sure to watch this entire video because the #1 food on this list is something most seniors already have in their pantry, but almost no one eats it in the right way. Before we dive in, tell me, how old are you and where are you watching from today? I'd love to know where our Golden Life Health family is tuning in from. All right, let's begin. 6 science-backed foods for strong legs. Here are 6 science-backed foods that can help keep your legs strong, flexible, and full of life. Eggs are truly one of nature's most perfect nutritional packages, especially for anyone committed to keeping their body strong, active, and balanced with age. Inside that unassuming shell is a powerhouse of nutrients your muscles need every single day. Eggs contain all 9 essential amino acids, the precise building blocks your muscles require to repair and grow. As we age, our muscles naturally weaken because the body becomes less efficient at rebuilding them after daily use. That's where eggs come in. Every time you eat them, you are providing your muscles with the finest raw materials they need to stay firm and flexible. It's like sending dedicated repair crews into your body, actively rebuilding the strength that time has slowly taken away. But eggs do more than just feed your muscles. They are also one of the best natural food sources of vitamin D, a nutrient many older adults are severely deficient in without even realizing it. Low vitamin D can leave you feeling fatigued, drain your energy reserves, and critically, negatively affect your balance. You might notice feeling more unsteady when walking or standing up, or your legs might feel inexplicably weaker. Just 1 or 2 eggs a day can help boost those vitamin D levels naturally, giving your body what it needs to stay strong and alert. And then there's choline, another powerful nutrient concentrated in eggs. Choline helps your nerves and muscles communicate smoothly with each other, significantly improving your coordination and reaction time. That means every step you take feels smoother, more controlled, and naturally more confident. The best part? You don't need to complicate things. You can enjoy eggs any way you prefer, scrambled for a protein-rich breakfast, hard-boiled as a quick portable snack, or mixed with fresh vegetables in a light omelet. It's a simple daily habit that compounds into a massive difference over time. Just 1 or 2 eggs daily can help rebuild muscle, strengthen your bones, and keep you feeling steady and independent for years to come. Sometimes the most powerful solutions aren't found in expensive supplements. They come from the simple, natural foods we've known and loved all along. 2. Salmon. Salmon is easily one of the best foods you can include in your diet if your goal is to rebuild muscle and keep your body moving with strength and ease as you get older. As the years progress, your body naturally slows down at repairing and rebuilding muscle tissue. This is why tasks that were once effortless, like carrying groceries or climbing stairs, can start to feel much heavier. But salmon possesses a unique power that helps actively reverse that process. It is packed with high-quality protein that directly feeds your muscles, supplying them with the precise building blocks they need to remain strong and firm. Every bite of salmon is like premium fuel for your body's recovery system, actively helping to restore what the aging process has slowly diminished. What truly sets salmon apart is its rich supply of omega-3 fatty acids, These healthy fats do much more than simply protect your heart. They are potent anti-inflammatories that fight inflammation throughout your body, which is one of the biggest hidden causes of muscle pain, joint stiffness, and slow recovery in older adults. With better circulation and less inflammation, oxygen and nutrients can flow more freely to your muscles and joints. That translates to less soreness, quicker recovery, and a much smoother, more comfortable feeling with every step you take. If your hips or knees sometimes ache, or if your legs feel unusually tired after short walks, the omega-3s from salmon can help naturally ease that discomfort over time. Salmon is also loaded with vitamin B12, a crucial nutrient that plays a key role in converting the food you eat into usable energy for your body. It supports healthy nerve function, keeps your blood cells strong, and helps you feel more energized and focused throughout your day. Many seniors don't realize that low B12 levels can cause feelings of weakness and chronic fatigue, even when their diet seems otherwise healthy. Just a few servings of salmon each week can help correct that deficiency naturally. Whether you enjoy it baked, grilled, or even from a simple canned fillet, salmon is a delicious, easy-to-prepare food that truly performs wonders inside your body. Just 2 or 3 servings a week can make a significant difference, helping you move better, feel stronger, and maintain your independence for years to come. Berries are some of the most powerful natural foods available, particularly when your goal is to protect your existing muscle and keep your body youthful from the inside out. Blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, and blackberries may be small, but they are absolutely packed with antioxidants, those tiny warriors that actively fight off oxidative stress, a primary cause of muscle weakness and premature aging. As we get older, our bodies produce more free radicals, which silently damage muscle cells, slow down recovery, and make everyday movements feel heavier than they should. But when you add berries to your daily diet, you are giving your muscles a powerful, natural shield. These colorful fruits help your body fight back, preserving your strength, energy, and mobility over time. The secret strength of berries lies not only in their antioxidants, but also in their powerful ability to reduce chronic inflammation, the kind that silently lingers and makes your joints stiff or causes your legs to ache after simple activities. Eating just a handful of berries daily can help calm that inflammation naturally, allowing your muscles to heal faster and your body to move much more freely. Berries are also rich in vitamin C, which boosts the production of collagen, the protein that keeps your muscles, tendons, and joints flexible and feeling young. Think of collagen as the essential glue holding everything together. Without enough of it, your muscles lose tone and your joints lose their smoothness. With berries in your daily routine, you help your body stay firm, flexible, and resilient, and the benefits extend further. Berries also improve blood flow, ensuring your muscles get the oxygen and nutrients they need to recover quickly after any activity. This improved circulation doesn't just benefit your body, it benefits your mind too. Studies show that the same compounds that protect your muscles can also sharpen memory and support brain health, keeping you alert and focused as you age. The best part is how incredibly easy berries are to enjoy. Toss them into oatmeal, blend them into yogurt, or simply snack on them fresh. Just a small handful each day can make a massive difference, keeping both your body and mind strong, steady, and youthful for many years. Avocados are one of the most underappreciated foods for keeping your body flexible, strong and free from those annoying muscle cramps that often increase with age. These creamy green fruits offer much more than just a great taste. They are a true superfood for your joints, muscles, and overall mobility. As we age, inflammation silently builds up within the body, causing joints to feel stiff and movements to become less smooth. You might notice this especially in the mornings when your knees feel tight. Avocados are fantastic at fighting this. They are loaded with healthy, monounsaturated fats that work to reduce internal stiffness and inflammation, helping your body move more easily and comfortably every day. What's even more impressive is how rich avocados are in potassium, even more than a banana. Potassium is the vital mineral your muscles rely on to contract and relax correctly. When your body is low on it, you are far more likely to experience leg cramps or those sudden, painful nighttime muscle spasms. Eating avocados regularly helps keep your electrolytes balanced, naturally reducing those painful cramps. Alongside potassium, avocados provide a good dose of vitamin E, which helps repair small stress points in your muscle fibers after daily activity. Think of it as giving your muscles a routine mini tune-up, keeping them resilient, strong, and ready for movement. And there is another hidden advantage. Those healthy fats in avocados also improve blood circulation. Better circulation means more oxygen and nutrients reach your joints and muscles, allowing them to recover faster and feel more flexible throughout the day. The best part is how easy it is to add avocados to your routine. Spread them on whole grain toast, slice them into your favorite salad, or mix them into a smoothie. You don't need to eat a lot. Consistency is what truly matters. A small amount each day can help you feel lighter on your feet, reduce stiffness, and keep your legs strong and flexible, regardless of your age. Oats are one of the most reliable and comforting foods you can consume, especially if your legs frequently feel weak or tired. They may appear simple, but they are nutrient-dense powerhouses that help your body build endurance, maintain steady energy, and accelerate recovery. Unlike processed, sugary foods that provide a rapid burst of energy followed by a crash, oats deliver slow-releasing carbohydrates, the perfect fuel that sustains your muscles for hours without those sudden dips. This means you will have the consistent energy needed to stay active throughout the day, whether you are walking around the block, tending your garden, or simply moving around your home with greater confidence. For many older adults, chronic fatigue and low stamina are daily struggles. But consistently adding oats to your routine can make a huge difference in how energized and strong you feel. What makes oats even more powerful is that their benefits go beyond just energy. They actively help rebuild and protect your muscles too. They contain plant-based protein, which your body utilizes for muscle tissue maintenance and repair. Crucially, they are rich in iron and magnesium, two minerals that play key roles in muscle health. Iron helps transport oxygen efficiently to your muscles, keeping them active and preventing that heavy, tired feeling in your legs. When your body is deficient in iron, your muscles cannot perform their best, leaving you low on energy and possibly short of breath. Magnesium, on the other hand, helps your muscles relax and actively prevents painful cramps or tightness, particularly at night. Together, these nutrients create a perfect balance of comfort, endurance, and strength. Another excellent benefit of oats is their support for healthy blood flow by improving circulation. This means oxygen and nutrients reach your muscles faster, leading to quicker recovery after activity and less soreness overall. And the best part? Oats are incredibly versatile and easy to prepare. You can enjoy them warm as a bowl of oatmeal, blend them into a morning smoothie, or bake them into simple snacks. No matter how you eat them, they quietly power your muscles all day long, helping you move with more confidence, balance, and energy. It's amazing how something as humble as a bowl of oats can give your body the sustained endurance it needs to keep going strong, regardless of your age. Sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are one of the most underrated foods for keeping your legs strong, energized, and moving with ease. They may look basic, but inside that bright orange flesh lies a powerful source of lasting energy that your muscles can genuinely depend on. Unlike simple refined carbs that give you a quick spike followed by a crash, sweet potatoes provide consistent, long-lasting fuel that keeps you energized for hours. This is especially important as we age because our muscles naturally lose some of their ability to store and use energy efficiently. This is why tasks that were once automatic, like walking upstairs or standing up quickly, can become increasingly difficult. By fueling your muscles with the right kind of energy, you can restore that stamina and strength, and sweet potatoes are one of the best, natural ways to achieve it. These vibrant root vegetables are packed with complex carbohydrates that your body breaks down slowly, ensuring consistent energy without sudden spikes or crashes. But they do more than just fuel you. They also actively repair and protect your muscles from within. Sweet potatoes are loaded with vitamin A, potassium, and anti-inflammatory compounds that work in harmony to repair tiny muscle tears, prevent cramps, and keep your movements smooth and comfortable. Vitamin A helps your muscles recover faster after daily activity, while potassium is essential for steady muscle contractions and supports hydration, which reduces stiffness and fatigue. If you've ever experienced your legs cramping or tightening at night, it might be your body signaling a need for more of this vital mineral. And then there's beta-carotene, the nutrient responsible for the sweet potato's orange color and its incredible healing power. Beta-carotene helps combat inflammation at a deep cellular level, keeping your legs flexible, pain-free, and fully capable of supporting your daily movement. Chronic inflammation is a huge hidden cause of stiffness and weakness as we age, and sweet potatoes are one of nature's simplest answers to it. They also contain natural fiber that supports digestion and helps your body absorb nutrients more effectively, ensuring your muscles get every bit of energy they need. Whether you roast them, mash them, or add them to soups or salads, sweet potatoes fit easily into almost any meal. Every serving is like giving your legs a little extra boost of strength and endurance, helping you move easier, feel steadier, and walk farther, one strong, confident step at a time. So, if you've noticed your legs feeling more tired or weaker lately, remember this crucial fact: it is never too late to rebuild your strength from the inside out. The simple, mindful foods you choose each day can truly change how your body performs and how you feel. Simple, natural ingredients like oats, sweet potatoes, eggs, and salmon are more than just fuel. They are your body's essential repair tools. They help your muscles recover, your joints stay flexible, and your energy last longer. Think of every meal as a direct opportunity to give your body what it needs to keep moving, walking, and living life with full confidence. Start making small, mindful choices today, and you will quickly notice the difference. Steadier steps, stronger legs, and a body that fully supports you, no matter your age. If this video has helped you understand how to strengthen your legs with simple changes, please hit that like button. It truly helps the channel. And if you want more practical, life-changing health advice, subscribe to Golden Life Health and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a future video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.